Hello and welcome to another video. This is Mark from Mark on the Move, and today we've got a special video for you as it's the grand opening of the new Sydney Fish Market. Public transport is probably the easiest way to get here. We are in the suburb of Glebe, which is roughly a 15-minute walk from Darling Harbour. Wentworth Park is the closest light rail stop on the Dulwich Hill line, located approximately 400 metres from the new market. The old Fish Market light rail stop will be renamed to Bank Street as it's now not the closest stop. So hopefully today's video gives you some insight into what's happening at the new Fish Market. We've got beautiful water views, brand new restaurants, shops and bakeries and more. For the full list of shops at Sydney Fish Market, simply visit sydneyfishmarket.com.au. The new market is open from 7 AM till 10 PM, Sunday to Thursday, and on Friday and Saturday it's 7 AM to 12 AM. This is sure to be one of the major tourist attractions in coming years.
Oh yeah.
Would you like one of those?
Not eat zucchini?
Get sashimi.
Get sushi. Yeah, it's awesome. I think the best thing is these water views, because you can just stand around and touch water screens. I love that. level above is Sunrise Terrace. Sushi train with these awesome moves. Okay, this is the car park, which is not open to the general public just yet. Oh, okay. That's where we came in, isn't it? This is gelato. Oh, wow. Modern Chinese. That looks nice, doesn't it? That's nice. Then you sit outside and, get the bit of the water. Thank you for watching my video. This is Mark from Mark on the Move. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you on another video. Thank you.